Hi guys, welcome. We are on a system based on Arch and it's created with pure Arch, so ISO doesn't do anything because it's not existing here. It's a pure Arch install with the scripts, right? Typing everything. Sorry, not with the Arch install script, that's what I mean, but I think I've done it typing wise because look at it. I started in January the 2nd of 2021, right? 22. We're now 23. Many people, well, there's lots of lies in the world. And one of the things is, oh, it will break ArcoLinux, it will break. No, it's just knowledge that you're required. And for instance, the archlinux-keyring thing, right? And that's it. You just keep on updating since 2021, 22, we're now 23. And last time I've installed anything, well, something from December 22. And you can type RIP in this case. And last time I did anything, well, today I installed these guys, 2023, to have some man pages and all that. But this is back in the days of 22 December. So it's just 1 month update, which should not be a problem. Update is an alias that is present here. And we have also the repos there. ArcoLinux repos are present. And this is normal, right? If you say, oh my God, my monthly download of volume is gone, well, then you better, well, not update or choose something else, because this is super normal that we have this amount of download size. This is installation size, but look at this, it's just a small upgrade, not that big. But it's the download volume, of course, that can be a problem for people depending on where you live and what internet connection you have. By the way, you can only get the internet connection you pay for. Simple as that. Your internet service provider is opening, how to say that, don't know the words in English. Let's look for the word. It got to me again. The tap, right? The tap, water. When you open the tap to get water, it's basically the same thing. They open up the tap for now that much volume can pass, and that's it. Speed and volume. Like I said in so many videos, this is the thing that sometimes, yeah, scares people and makes people leave anything Arch based because of issues with keyrings. In this case, nothing there. Cool. But let me include it in the video anyway. Whoa, what's that? So sudo pacman -s archlinux-keyring. If there are issues, this is what you need to do. Get the last keyring in. It contains basically the things you need to know. Well, the signing of the packages of Arch. So Arch wiki keyring. Let's see what we get. GNOME keyring, package signing. Yep, maybe this looks like the better, and then we go from there. Managing, signing. So the keys are coming from people. People have a key, people sign a package with their key, and that's the way to keep everything safe. Here it is, Web of Trust. It's always fun. No, that's not the one I want. Web of Trust. Arch Web of Trust. I want to get the guy. Wikipedia. Hey, I really would have thought that would result into the proper link. Web of Trust. Master signing keys, maybe this one. So here are all the keys, the master signing keys, the guys that are at the top level, so to speak, and from them emanates other keys. And here I have what I was looking for. This is fun. So this is Florian and this is Levente, and they sign with their keys other keys. So can we see the name here? This is Thor, this is Sven Hendrik, and so on. And here are all the guys. So keys matter. Keys is your protection that everything is working fine, and we have an up-to-date system. Basically, there was not much to do. In the meantime, I've explained you a workflow in the other video, one number down, how to get a workflow to get things working is by looking at man pages, by looking at the configuration file, finding it somewhere, putting it in the right place, and that's how we made Alacrity now transparent. Alright, that was previous video. This SSD goes back on top of my machine, out of my bay. I use bays, and I slide in an SSD and I pop it out again, and in 1 month, 2 months time, I'll put it back into the bay and update again and see what issues we have on Arch. So this is the Arch thing, yes, but you know, of course, what I've done. You see the bash RC that's there, so we have the ArcoLinux 3 tool up and running. My own bash RC is there. Our own bash RC is there because, of course, we want to have all these. Let's kill this one, let's kill that one, and let's kill that one with all our aliases from ArcoLinux. Alright, cheers.